Imagine being your own boss, running a successful business and earning a substantial income of up to Rs 50,000 per month, all with an initial investment of just Rs 2.5 lakh. This may sound like a dream come true, but it's a reality for those who dare to venture into the world of courier services. As we live in the age of online marketplaces, the demand for reliable and efficient delivery services has never been higher. But have you ever stopped to think about the companies behind these deliveries and how profitable they can be? The answer lies in the clever business model of courier and logistics companies, which eliminates the need for manufacturing, thereby drastically reducing operational costs. This simple yet effective approach has made logistics a highly attractive business with the potential for significant earnings. But here's where it gets interesting. You can start your own courier company with a relatively low investment. And franchise models make it even easier to get started. For instance, Just Delivery Corporation offers a logistics division called Just Delivery, which requires an initial investment of between 2 lakh and 5 lakh. This investment includes a franchise fee of around 1 lakh and a 10% royalty or commission based on the operational cost of your office. To begin operations, you'll need a workspace measuring roughly 200 to 250 square feet, as well as 1 or 2 computers or laptops, which will be supported with software provided by the company. This software is designed to help you manage your logistics operations and track your business in real time, making it easier to stay on top of your deliveries and finances. And this is the part most people miss. The company provides full training on how to use the system and operate the business efficiently. As part of the onboarding process, the company will even dispatch the first 20 parcels on your behalf, showing you how to log these into the system as proof of delivery. But what about the earnings? Your income will largely depend on the volume of deliveries you handle, with the company charging Rs 6 per packet for shipments weighing between 10 grams and 1 kilogram, and Rs 30 per kilogram for e-commerce parcels. Naturally, the greater the parcel weight and volume, the higher the courier charges, and in turn, the profit. With consistent work and steady demand, it's possible to earn between Rs 40,000 and Rs 50,000 per month through this model. This presents a promising and scalable opportunity for those looking to enter the logistics sector without the burden of manufacturing. So, what do you think? Is this a business idea worth exploring? Or are there potential drawbacks that we're missing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we delve deeper into the world of courier services, it's essential to consider the potential challenges and controversies surrounding this industry. For instance, how do courier companies ensure timely and secure deliveries? And what measures do they take to mitigate the risk of lost or damaged packages? These are just a few of the questions that come to mind when exploring this business idea. But one thing is certain, with the right mindset and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, starting a courier company can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So if you're ready to take the leap and start your own business, this might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Stay updated with all the latest business news, including market trends, stock updates, tax, IPO, banking finance, real estate, savings, and investments. To get in-depth analysis, expert opinions, and real-time updates, download the News 18 app and join the conversation.